Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the Bluetooth antenna on the Nintendo Switch right Joy-Con. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, undo 4 screws securing the cover. Next, gently use your fingernail or a pry tool to lift and remove the cover. While separating, make sure to open gently to avoid accidental damage to cables. Next, disconnect the battery plug using a tweezer. Next, pull out the not working Bluetooth antenna with the board. First, using a tweezer, gently disconnect the antenna plug from the logic board. And then, gently pry the cable and pull out the antenna board using a tweezer. Next, place the new Bluetooth antenna in the body. Gently insert the board into the slot and connect the antenna head to the board. Make sure the antenna runs through the slot. Next, secure the battery plug. Use a tweezer to make the process easier. Next, snap the cover and secure 4 screws. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.